Welcome back to Fixing Expert, your go-to channel for all things flooring and home improvement. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest trends in flooring for 2024, parquet flooring. We'll be showing you 5 different parquet flooring designs that can completely transform the look of your space. Whether you want classic elegance or a more modern twist, there's a pattern here for you. Let's jump right in. Herringbone Pattern. The first pattern on our list is the timeless herringbone. Known for its zigzag effect, it brings a sense of classic sophistication to any room. Whether in traditional or contemporary settings, herringbone adds depth and elegance. It's perfect for living rooms, dining areas, and hallways, giving them a dynamic yet refined look. 2. Chevron Pattern. Next, we have the chevron pattern, which is similar to herringbone but with a twist. The difference lies in how the wood planks are cut at an angle to create a seamless V-shape. This pattern brings a modern, stylish vibe to your space, making it an ideal choice for contemporary interiors. 3. Basketweave Pattern. If you're looking for something more unique, the Basketweave Pattern is a great option. This design mimics the look of woven fabric, giving your floors an intricate. It's a fantastic choice for smaller spaces, adding a touch of sophistication without overwhelming the room. 4. Versailles Pattern. Taking luxury to the next level, the Versailles Parquet pattern is a masterpiece. Originating from the French royal courts, this design is made of large, square panels that are intricately arranged for an opulent look. It's the perfect statement piece for large rooms, formal spaces, or anyone looking to add a royal flair to their home. 5. Brick Pattern. Finally, we have the brick pattern. As the name suggests, this design mimics the layout of brickwork, creating a simple yet stunning look, making it ideal for modern and industrial interiors. So there you have it, 5 beautiful parquet flooring designs that can completely transform your space in 2024. Whether you're going for classic charm with herringbone or modern flair with chevron, parquet flooring offers endless possibilities. If you're considering upgrading your floors and need expert advice, feel free to reach out to us at Fixing Expert. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home improvement tips and tricks. See you next time.